guys, welcome back to my channel. So I got lot of DMs about how I manage my hair and how you combat the hair fall or how to treat hair thinning. So that is why I decided to sit and talk with you guys about the hair fall reasons and solutions for them. So without further ado, let's jump into the video.
Audio Jungle.
So first of all, let's talk about the reasons of hair fall. Now there are many reasons of hair fall like hormonal imbalance or your medication issues, or if the person is having so much stress or some kind of having intense physical activity, any kind of thyroid, or you may getting too much chemical activity in your hair. There is not only one reason of your hair fall. Sometimes it may happen that if you are tying your hair so tight in a bun or ponytail that the roots may get weaker and weaker. At some point of time it start hair fall, so take care about that. Or maybe you are not paying attention to the shampoo you are using, so keep in mind about the product. Maybe the product is not suiting your hair and that may cause the hair fall. And the same reasons also apply for hair thinning. If you are straightening or curling, or I may say heating or ironing your hair so much, it may cause to hair thinning because they are damaging your hair cuticles. So these are the bunch of reasons that cause hair fall. And the main reason that cause hair fall is that you are not having your proper diet. So now let's talk about the solution for hair fall and hair thinning. Now I personally believe that what you eat is going to affect your skin and hair. So always try to balance your diet. Try to add vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin C, omega fatty acids. These are the things that are going to boost your hair growth and it will stop the hair fall. So try to eat more and more proteins. Like you can eat eggs, but if you don't eat eggs, then you can try dairy products. Try to eat more and more nuts, so it will combat that protein deficiency in your body. That will ultimately boost the hair growth and it will stop the hair fall gradually. Now keep in mind that hair fall is not going to stop suddenly. It is a gradual process, so you have to be patient with it. Now the second solution is related to washing your hair. Sometimes what happens that we wash our hair but we don't apply the conditioner and serum. It is equally important to apply conditioner and serum after the shampoo, because shampoo opens the cuticle of your hair and that will damage the hair and it will look like you have split ends. So always use a conditioner and serum. It will lock the moisture in the hair and it will protect your hair from outer pollutions and all. So keep in mind that always apply shampoo, conditioner and then serum. It is not extra care, it is basic necessary care for your hair. Now third is, don't tie your hair really tight, because tying your hair really tight may loosen the roots of your hair and it exaggerate the hair fall. Try to tie a loose ponytail. Now about the stress, because nowadays everybody is stressed out about their life, their career, whatever the reason is, but everybody is stressed out. So try to meditate and do some kind of exercise. It will lower your stress and ultimately boost the hair growth. And about the chemical process or heating process, I want to say, if it is not necessary, please avoid it. Let your hair breathe. If you are not a person who always have to style their hair, don't. Just let them breathe. And if you are a person who have to do it, please use some kind of heat protecting serum or spray so that it get damage really minimum. So next thing I can say is, apply hair once a week or twice a week according to your choice, because sometimes what happens is the scalp is already oily and you don't want more oil. But if you are someone who is from dry family, dry skin, dry scalp family, you definitely need to apply hair oil. Don't skip if you are a person who has dry scalp, because it will exaggerate the problem of dandruff if you have dry scalp. So try to put oil in your hair like for 2 to 3 hours before your shampoo and then wash it off.
I'm not saying that you can keep it for like 2 to 3 days, don't.
Now that makes me talk about the hair wash, because what we do, we wash your hair with hot water. We shouldn't wash our hair with hot water, because hot water is going to cause damage to your hair. So always use cold water to wash your hair. Actually, cold water is really beneficial to your hair as well as your body. And the last topic is about hair growing tips. Now these are the tricks and tips that we can apply at home. If it is a medical condition of your hair fall, we cannot not help it. You have to go to a doctor. Or if it is in your heredity, you have to consult your doctor. Don't do anything without a consultation of a doctor. So now about the hair growing tips. About the hair growing tips, there is a myth that you shouldn't cut your hair. No, actually you should always cut your hair every 3 months, because the ends that are going to thin and they will affect your hair growth. So every 3 to 4 months try to get a trimming of your hair. Like you can trim your hair according to your wish. Like it's not necessary about your hair length, but at least get rid of your split ends. It will definitely help you in like growing your hair and lessening your hair fall. So if someone is saying that you shouldn't cut your hair, that is wrong. You always should get your hair trimmed every 3 to 4 months for health of your own hair. Secondly, I want to say that before going to bed, brush your hair thoroughly. It will improve the blood circulation in your scalp, and it will definitely lead to a good hair health. Now third thing you can do is avoid styling tools if it is not necessary, and don't shampoo your hair daily if it is not necessary. You can shampoo your hair like twice or thrice a week. If you are gym going person, or if you do exercise daily, you might get sweaty, and I understand that, but don't wash it daily, no? And I think it is okay to wash twice or thrice, but not daily, because it will dry out your scalp really fast. So don't wash your hand every day. Next is about sleeping. Now sleeping is really important. If you get a good night's sleep, you will definitely have good hair and good skin. But it is also true that we damage our hair in sleep, because if you are sleeping on a cotton pillow or any other material, it will damage the hair. So try to use a silk pillow. Try to sleep on a cushion cover that is silk, so that it doesn't damage your hair. And yeah, when you wash your hair, don't directly comb them, because the wet hair are more prone to damage and more prone to fall out. So let them air dry for like 1 to 2 hours and then comb it. It will really help you to reduce the hair fall. So yeah, that's it for the tips about the hair fall and hair thinning. I hope you guys find it helpful, and if you find it, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you guys have any requests, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to do that. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you like it, please subscribe to my channel. It means the absolute world to me. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Mwah.